Alright everybody, here it is, homemade. We have Hy-Vee brand, Stir brand. It was 5 packages for $10. So I opted for a couple of them, and I used 2.5 and another quarter of noodles, and it turned out really good. I mixed a half a stick of butter and a quarter cup of whole milk, quarter cup to it, out of low heat after our noodles are done and strained. And then I put in a whole bag of this cheese right here. And man, is it good. It goes perfectly with hot dogs. Last night I had a Hillshire Farms smoked sausage. It was 2 long sausage cuts. I had that, and I cut into about probably 10 pieces total that were about 2 inches long, and that went when it had the best flavor in the world. It had the really soft skin, so all I had to do was just eat that stuff. It cut with a fork. It was beautiful. This here, it was just a matter of minutes after the noodles were done. I put the cheese up in there, and that stuff melted like almost just like that. It was the chronic. Even on day 2, this is holding its flavor and texture very well. Last time I had homemade mac and cheese, well, I made my own sauce. And how I did it was, I had to swallow that mouthful of what I was eating. I would take the leftover sausage packets from various mac and cheese formulations, because I would use the noodles in recipes and not use the sauce. And I used to do that vice versa, but anyways, I managed to stockpile about 10, probably 12 of them. Plus I had some shredded cheese as well. And a whole bunch of macaroni noodles I knew not what to do with. So I thought, well, let's make a mac and cheese that might be out of this world. And guess what, y'all? It was out of this world. So now, ever since then, I've been trying to perfect my own original mac and cheese recipe. It's real easy, that y'all can make at home and enjoy just as much as I have. And it's simple to make, so it takes less than 10 minutes. There you have it. I rate this a full-on 10 out of 10. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick fix dinner. And you can also make this yourself. I have faith in you all as a cook. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below. We love to hear from you. We love comments. And we'll catch you all in the very next one. Bye-bye.